It's almost like the midterm is around the corner and they are still not clear with the syllabus.
Yes.
That's not a good thing for the students. Okay, so no issues, Simrat. You were saying that 4 chapters were short, which Euclid's geometry, and one was which basically the
Triangle.
triangles and linear equation, right?
Yes.
Okay, no issues. So according to your, like you have got the idea that 4 chapters are definitely coming into the midterms. So we'll be doing that. No need to worry about it. After that, you will let me know which 4 other chapters are there. Like if you have covered the first chapter, after that we will be taking Euclid's geometry. Euclid's is a very short chapter. Like it would take only 1 class, not more than that. It's a very short topic. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So just let me tell you some points. Basically, this is called laws of. Samrat, in the previous standards, have you studied some exponent, power, something related terms?
Yes.
Yes. Can you tell me some? If I ask you something, like I will cover from everything from basic. I'm just trying that so that you can also recall your memory. So it would be easy for you as well. Okay. So let me tell you one thing. Can you tell me if the base is same, what will be the basically the law for their powers?
If base is the same,
Yes, yes, Simrat.
both the exponents will multiply.
No, no. If the base is same, Simrat, and they are multiplying, their exponents is 1 and 1, yes or no? They will get add. Exponents will get add. What is basically, how we write 2 into 2? It's basically 2 square, na? So how is it possible? Basically, these two, 1 and 1 will get added. Okay. Suppose 2 into 2 to the power 4. Can you tell me next thing, Simrat? If the bases are same and they are in multiplication, so what will be the exponents? Like what will be the operation for the exponents?
1 plus 4.
1 plus 4. So it will be 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. So Simrat, okay. So this is our first. Second is, now Simrat, tell me if the base, like basically if this if bases are same, 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 2, what will be the value of basically the what will be the operation for their like the exponents? Can you tell me? Yes, Simrat, dear.
Subtract.
Yes, subtraction will be there. Very good. So 2, if the bases are same, their power will get subtracted.
Okay.
Yes or no? Basically, it is nothing but Simran. If you like, if you can cancel out them very easily, just you write 2 to the and 2. Both 2 will cancel out. You will get 2 into 2, which is basically 2 to the power 2. Yes or no? So basically, it is these are the rules which deals with the exponent or the powers. This is called exponent. Okay, or power. Okay, Simrat, have you got this?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So next thing will be, if the bases are not same, sorry, if but their power is same. Sorry, just a second. Let me erase this one and write it as 2. There is 2 as well. Let me take from NCERT example so that we can have the idea. Yes, so it is a correct example basically. So now Simran, tell me what will you do here?
We'll multiply 2 and 3 and take on the 1, 2.
Only one. Very good. You will basically write 2 into 3 in bracket, and 2 can be taken as the whole power for both of them, which is 6 to the power 2, which is 36. Like if you expand this and solve this one, 2 to the 2 square is what? 4. 3 square is what? 9. It is 36. Both the answers are same, yes or no, Simrat? Tell me.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this clear to you, dear?
Yes.
So next identity for our real number is, if this is 3 square inside and 3 is the whole power of it, what will you do?
Multiply
What multiplied here?
2 into 3.
2 into 3. Very good. Their power will get multiplied. Like, I'm very happy that you are able to recall the previous standard concept. Very good. That's a very good thing. So your power will get multiplied here. 3 to the power 6. Okay, Simrat, is this clear to you, dear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No.
Sure.
Yes.
So, okay. So let me write down the laws of exponents for you in the variable form.
Okay.
It's a very easy topic. It's a very short topic. If you are able to do the topic in it, we will start the Euclids in its own, in this own class itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So Simrat, first one is if the bases are same and the powers are different, basically power can be different or same, but for the identity, base should be same if you have to add their power. So m plus n will be there. Simrat, okay, got it? 2 to the 4 bases are same. Whether their power is same or not, that doesn't matter, but the bases should be same.
Okay.
Okay. So basically they will add, the exponent will get added. Next is, just a second. Yeah. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. What will happen, Simrat? Can you tell me?
Subtract.
Yes, Simrat?
Subtraction of
Subtract.
the.
Basically, a to the power m minus n.
Yes.
If we are writing this, m should be greater than n. Why? Because if you take m as smaller than the n, suppose this is 1 and this is 2, what will you get? You will get the answer in -1.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So m minus 1, this will become basically in the denominator. So if we are writing this formula, we have to write m greater than n. If we write n minus m, so we will write n greater than m.
Okay.
Okay. Next thing is, if the base, so a to the power m into b to the power m, what it should be, Simrat? We have just taken an example of the same kind. Third one, tell me, third one, I've given you a hint.
We'll take A and B in bracket and write M as the power.
As the whole power. Basically, we multiply a and b and take the power as the whole power.
Yes.
Yes or no, Simrat? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Thumbs up. Very good. That's a great thing. Okay, so Simrat, next thing is, yeah. So next thing is, basically, if their power is a to the power m and whole to the power n, what will happen basically? Can you tell me?
M and
Basically, m and n will get multiplied.
yes.
Okay. So these are the four basics law of the exponents, which we have to deal in this chapter or in this standard. And for the
Okay.
whole, like for the, if you are in 11, 12, if you take like, if you go in 11th, if you go in 12th, like other subjects like physics, chemistry, and mathematics, these four law will be applicable till the, like the higher mathematics as well. Like these are very basics law, fundamental law, and these are applicable, and these are, you can say, universal.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why they, if you learn them in this class, and they will be like, if you take the mathematics or physics or anything as your mainstream, you will use these law very frequently. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just okay. So Sumrat, is this clear to you, dear?
Yes.
Okay, so next thing, so let's take some example. Shall we take some example, Simrat? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, Simrat. Let me take screenshot of some questions and you will solve it for me. I won't solve it because it's a very simple topic. Like for I will push you to solve by your own. I will help you. I'm not saying that I won't help you. I will help you, but you have to do that thing first on your own.
Okay.
Okay. I've given some examples. Now it's time. It's your turn to do that. Okay. So Simran, till now what we have covered in this whole chapter is this all clear to you?
Yes.
Any doubt? Like, do you solve
No.
NCRT questions as a practice? Yes or no, Simran?
What?
Do you solve NCRT questions for practice?
No.
Why? Very bad,
Um,
Simran. You should solve it now, because Simran,
okay.
as you know that this time is very short. Like we have to cover the all things. Yes or no?
Yes.
I like after this class, I give you homework regularly so that you can practice some questions, which I think that are helpful to you. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
After that, your responsibility is to practice the NCRT questions on your own. If you are not able to solve them, ask me in the class. I will tell you how to solve them. I'm there, na?
Okay. Okay.
If you are not able to solve them, ask me how to solve it. I will let you know. And if you are not able to solve it, how will you solve them in the exams? Suppose the same question from the NCRT. Suppose this question comes in the exams. Okay, this question, same questions come into your exam and you didn't practice. So how would you solve them even after taking all the classes? Okay. I will cover every theory, every concept, types of numericals, but the main responsibility of yours is to practice as much as you can. Okay. Practice the questions, practice the NCRT book as much as you can. If you are not solving, like you are not getting the point, what approach should you use? Ask me. I'm there. Yes or no? We have 3 classes in a week. You can ask in the all the classes. No, I will answer all of you, all of the questions. Okay, solve them.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will, like, if you not like simple thing is that if you learn something and if you don't revise, what will happen basically?
You forget.
Forget. So how would you write the thing in the exam if you forget? Will you get good marks if you forget something? No, no.
No.
And that would be very bad. As a student, that's not a very good thing. Like, as a student, you should always think that I have to score good. I have to learn everything which is in my syllabus. If you have time, you can learn the things which are beyond your syllabus. Okay. But at this point of time, I'm just saying, at least do the NCRT question.
Okay.
Okay, that would be very good if you do the NCRT and my homework, which I gave you after the class.
Okay.
Okay, and send the homework to me so that I can help you whether you are doing wrong or right.
Okay.
Unless and until I won't be able to help you if I don't know that you are doing the steps correctly or not.
Okay.
Basically, if you write in the exams, Simran, basically you have written the whole paper, and when the teacher checks, then you are able to tell, like you are able to get the point that you have done the questions correctly or not. Unless and until not, na.
Yes.
So that's the main thing here. I'm not giving you marks or anything. I don't like, but at least you should understand. If you are not able to, like, if there is a mistake, I will tell you that, Simran, don't do this. Do this approach or do this method. Do this step. Yes or no?
Yes.
So okay, Simran. So I'm requesting, please do the NCRT questions here. If you are not able to solve them, do let me know or send the questions on the official number. They will send it to me. I will solve it or I will tell you in the class. Okay. Okay. So you will do the homework and the question NCRT practice in the next class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Simran. So let's do the first question here. Now,
Okay.
Simran, tell me, how will you solve it? Basically, this dot means multiplication.
Okay.
So, Simran, tell me, what will you do here?
We'll take 2. We'll write 2 and then add its powers.
Yes, very good. Which is equals to, the denominator is same, we can add that directly.
Yes.
So, Simran, this is basically 2 to the power 1, 3 cancel out 3, which is basically 2.
Yes.
Okay, next question. 1 by 3 to the power 5. Now tell me, Simran, what will happen from the above laws? Which one law is which law is applicable on it?
The second one.
No,
Huh?
no. Focus a little bit, think about it before
The
answering.
fourth one. The fourth
You
one.
are saying this randomly.
No, the fourth one.
Why tell me why? What's the reason? Let me know the reason. If you are not, if you are just
Because
like,
there is a power inside and a power outside.
very good, because there is a power inside the, like, on the 3 and there is a whole power of the bracket. So what will happen? What will be the answer, Simran? Sorry, I've written it wrong. Just a second. Let me share my screen again. Actually, my screen got stopped.
Okay.
Don't know what has happened to my laptop. It's continuously freezing. Like my screen got freezed without any reason, without telling me even. Then I'm gonna freeze it. Maybe because of the temperature. So that's why it's also get freezed. Yeah, just a second. Very good. So let me write down the correctly. It is basically 3 to the power 1 by 5. I've just written it the wrong way. Basically, it was the same way. No, it wasn't the same way. It was the under root of square root 3, basically. So now, Simran, tell me what will be the answer here?
We'll take 3
3,
and
4 into
1 by,
multiplied by 5. Yes or no?
yes.
Yes or no, Simran? These powers will get
Yes.
multiplied. I've written it
Yes.
here. These power will get
Yes.
multiplied. Yes or no? Let me write this n as m into n so that you don't get confused. Okay, Simran? So your power
Yes.
will be 3 to the power 4 by 5.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
So now, Simran, it's your turn to solve it for me and tell me what will be the answer here. 1 by 5 divided by 7 by 1 by 3. Now tell me, Simran,
Okay, we'll
solve it on
take
your copy and
7.
let me know the answer. Solve it on your copy on your own and let me know the answer. Then I will solve it. You will guide me.
Okay. 7 by 2.
So let's solve it. What's your answer, Simrat? 7 by?
2.
Didn't get it. Say it completely. What is the power of 7?
2.
2. 7 to the power 2. Yes, so is that?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's solve, Simrat. So what will you do here? Your base are same. Yes or no? Which means that
Yes.
second law will be applicable. Bases are same power.
Yes.
We will subtract the power.
Yes.
So 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
Your numbers are different. You will multiply them directly. If you take, basically you will take LCM. If you take this LCM, 15 will be there. 15 will be the LCM of these two numbers. So Simrat, so 5 threes are, if you divide 15 by 5, you will get 3 and 3 will get multiplied with the numerator, sorry.
Yes.
Minus, if you divide the 3, if you divide the 3 by 15 by 3, you will get 5 and 5 will get multiplied with the numerator.
Yes.
Minus 2 will be there upon 15. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Which means that you can write this as 7 by 2 to the power 15. This is your answer. If you basically, Simrat, this negative means that if you take this denominator in the numerator, there will be a negative sign in just before the power. Like if you write 1 by 2 as 2 to the power minus 1. If you write 1 by 2 to the power 2, this will become 2 to the power minus 2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Simrat, is this clear?
Yes.
So your answer was wrong. Very bad. Do attentively, dear. Do attentively. If you are solving some questions, solve it very attentively. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Speak a little bit loud so that I can hear your voice. Okay. So let me take some questions from it as well. Just a second. So yeah. So next, sorry, there's one question left also. Yeah, fourth is one is left. Now, so Simrat, solve with this fourth one and let me know the answer.
Okay.
It's a very easy one. One of the law is applicable on it. Clear, Simrat? Done?
Yes.
Yeah, Simrat. Tell me the answer.
But 104 raised to 1 by 5.
1 by, just a second. Let me write it again. 13 by 1 to 13 into 13 to the power 1 by 5, 17 to the power 1 by 5. What's your answer, Simrat?
182 raised to 1 by 5.
182 raised to 1 by 5. Okay, Simrat. So let's find out whether it is correct or not. What you will do basically 13 into 17 will be multiplied in a bracket and 1 by 5 will be taken as the whole power. Yes or no?
Yes.
So 13, 720, 130 and 13, 7, or you can say 7, 170. So no, Simrat, your calculation is not correct. It would be, I think, 17, 170, 17, 3, 2 to 1.
2 to
Let's
1.
yes, let's solve it. 3 7s and 21, 2 will be here. 3 ones are 3 and 2 carry 5. Yes or no? Multiplication
Yes.
sign 7 will be here. 1, 7, 5, 12, 2, 1 carry here, 2, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So write it down in your notebook. It would be 2 to 1 to the power 1 by 5. Okay. Let's take some last questions and then we will start the new topic because it's already completed and we have given so much time for this chapter. We have like done in the detail. So it's a very short topic. So we will do the, okay. So let me write some question. So Simrat, simplify simplify 64 to the power 1 by 2 and 32 to these two questions 1 by 5. Now Simrat, simplify them for me and let me know the answer. It's a very easy. Solve it, Simrat, fast.
How am I supposed to solve it?
Yes, you are supposed to solve it. I told you that solve it.
How?
How? Just as we done in the previous thing. Okay, so I will tell you first one, then you will do the second one. So
Okay.
let's solve the first one. I thought that you are solving. So Simrat, can you write 64 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2? How? Multiply them. 2 to the 64. Oh, sorry, 2 to the 64. 2 to the 4. 4 to
Yes.
the 8. 8 to the
Yeah.
16. 16 to the 32. 32 to the 64, which can be written as 2 to the power 6. Or you can write it as, what is the square of 8? Square of 8. If you multiply 8 by itself, what will you get? Simrat, 8 into 8 is what? 64. Simrat, are you there? Simrat? I think there's a internet issue at your end. Are you there?
I got disconnected. I just joined back.
Okay, no issues. I thought that you have some internet issue, that's fine. So Simrat, tell me,
Yeah.
64 can be written as 8 into 8, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, na?
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah. So now, how will you write 8 as? Can you write 8 as 2 into 2 into 2? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Or you can write one word way. Now, Simran, tell me, it's 1 by 2, na? I think it's 1 by 2 or 1 by 3. It's 1 by 2. It's 1 by 2. So, can you write directly 2 as 60? Can you write 64 as 8 into 8? Yes or no? Which
Yes.
is basically 8 to the power 2.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, na? So now, Simrat, 1 by suppose this is the thing. Now we are taking them in bracket 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is bracket is there. Now tell me, Simrat, what will you do after this?
Uh, multiply the
Multiply the
powers.
powers. Yes. So 8 will be 2 divided by 2, which is basically 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
So
Yes.
same type of question is this. Now
Yes.
tell me, Simrat, how will you solve it? Okay.
Um.
Giving you 2 minutes, solve it.
Okay. Is 2 the answer?
Yes, Simrat?
Is 2 the answer?
Yes, correct. 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 Yes, 2 is the answer. Like basically what you have done, Simrat?
I took 2 raised to the power 5.
Very good. 32 can be written as, you can write 16 into 2. There are numerous method how will to write the 32, right? You just have, you can directly write 2 into 2 to the power 5. So if you, this 4, 2, 4, 16 can be written as 2 into 4 into 2, 1 by 5. Basically, this will become 2 to the power 5, yes or no?
Yes.
1 by 5. And now if you multiply the power, what you will get? 2 is the answer.
Yes.
Yes? Is this clear?
Yes.
Let me give you some more example. So so that your concepts get strengthened. Just a second. Yes, Simrat. To the question number, let me take it for you. Mark it. This one, and this one. I'm giving you 3 minutes to solve it.
Okay.
Okay, solve it and let me know the answer. Very easy. Like 3 minutes are like more than enough. Solve it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Simrat. Done.
No, I'm on the second one.
This, okay, third one, 16 to the power 3 by 4. It's a way. So can you tell me which one, what's the answer of first one? Like if you have solved this,
We got 9.
you got 9.
Yes.
Oh.
Huh?
Okay, solve it. First solve it, all the questions, then I will. tell you whether you are right or wrong.
Okay.
No need to panic about it, just solve it. After that, after this, I will share some homework questions. Okay, I've taken these questions. I thought that I should start a new chapter, but I've taken that in 15 minutes we won't be able to do much much theory about the next chapter. So that's why I've taken this. So in the next class we will freshly start a new chapter in the starting. Okay.
Okay.
I think Simrat, your connection is not stable. Yeah. Is Simrat done?
No.
Already 5 minutes passed. Done? Okay, no
No, no,
issues,
no.
Simrat. Okay. Which one? Which part you are?
Last one.
Last one. Okay, I'm giving you 1 more minute, solve it. Then if not, we will solve it together.
Okay. Yeah, I finished. Yes.
Finished? What's your answer? Tell me one by one.
The first one is 9.
Okay.
Second one is 4, and last one is 5.
Okay. Okay. So let's solve and tell me whether you have matched. Can you write 9 as 3 to the power 2?
Yes.
And this will be basically 3 by 2 is the whole power basically, Simrat?
Yes.
Yes. So now Simrat, tell me, will they will get multiplied, yes or no?
Yes.
So 3 by 2 into 2. These two will cancel out this 2.
Yes.
So basically you have get 3 to the power 3, which is equals to 27. Okay.
Okay.
So next one, let's understand the next one, which is 64 or 16 to the power 3 by 4. So 16 can be written as 4 to the power, oh, sorry, not 4 to the power, 2 to the power 4.
Yes.
3 by 4 was whole power. So these will get
Yes.
multiplied. So not 2, 3, this will be 2. 3 by 4 into 4. Yes or no, Simrat?
Yes.
This 4 will cancel out this 4. You will get 2 to the power 3, which is equals to 8. Is this clear to you? Is this is the answer matching with your answer?
Yes.
What's your answer? Is this one?
And the second one, it's 8.
Have you solved this one or this one?
16. Yeah.
16. What's your answer?
8.
8. Very good. So next is 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. So can we write 125 as 5 to the power 3? If you multiply 5 3 times, you will get 125. And minus of 1 by 3 was also already there. So multiplied them. What you will get? Minus 3 upon 3. Which is basically 5 to the power minus 1. Because minus sign is there, na, Simran?
Yes.
Which is basically 1 by 5. So is this your answer for the last one?
Yes.
Like how many answers were correct?
2.
2. You got the first one incorrect.
I got calculation mistake.
Okay. So no issue, Simran. So have you got this?
Yes.
Is this all clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this?
No, it's easy.
It's easy, na? Okay.
Yes.
So Simrat, so now we have completed our first chapter with every type of question in detail.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will send some homework questions for you. And after that, in the next class, we will be doing the new chapter.
Yes.
Like the 4 chapters was linear equation, triangles, Euclid's geometry, and coordinate geometry.
Yes.
Yeah. So coordinate geometry is very easy. Like Euclids and coordinates are just for the whole one class. They both are like Euclids will take one class and coordinate will take one class. They are very short chapter and they are very small. Okay. So Simrat, so dear, you can leave the class, dear. It's now we have let's wrap this class here. Okay. And practice the NCERT, dear. Without practicing, it's very, very, very difficult to score good marks. As you know that our time is very short and limited. Yes or no, Simrat? So what you have to do, you have to solve some questions on your own as well. If you have to score good marks, I will help you in that. But still, you have to do some hard work on your own, na?
Yes.
Yes or no?